Assalamualaikum and hi. Welcome to our presentation for AGR182 presentation crowd 1. Today our group will present our project entitled Smart Rubber Seedling and Watering Car in Rubber Nursery. This project aims to improve the watering process in rubber nursery by making it more efficient, practical. Before we begin, let me introduce our group member. The first member is myself. My name is Muhammad Hazwan bin Muhammad Hasif. The second person is Ahmad Zafri Hakimi bin Muhammad Irwan. The third person is Ahmad Danish Aiman bin Ahmad Azmari. This presentation is prepared for our lecturer, Dr. Nazatul Ashikin binti Muda. Now, let's move on to the outline of our presentation. In today's presentation, we will cover introduction, project layout, problem and solution, cost estimation, advantage and disadvantage, and conclusion. Without further delay, let's begin with the introduction.
So I will explain the introduction. This smart rubber seedling watering cart in rubber nursery is an innovative product that is intended to make a nurseryman's life easier by increasing the efficiency of watering of seedling in rubber nurseries. Watering individual seedling manually is a very time-consuming, labor-intensive, and arduous work, especially for a large number of seedlings. Inconsistent in watering are likely to lead to negative impact on seedling and affect their quality. The goal of the project is to create a seedling watering cart which distributes water to the seedling in adequate, uniform manner. The idea of watering cart is relieve employers from time-consuming work and to increase the efficiency and product of rubber nurseries by working more sustainability.
Now I will explain our layout of our smart rubber seedling watering cart. This watering cart is designed to provide an efficient and automated irrigation system for our nursery. Our project consists of several main components include a water tank, water pump, rechargeable battery, solar panel, pipe system, adjustable sprinkler, and moisture sensor. Each component has its own function. The water tank stores water, while the water pump creates pressure to distribute the water through the pipe system. The adjustable sprinkler ensures that water is sprayed evenly to every rubber seedling. Meanwhile, the moisture sensor detects the soil moisture level and controls the watering process automatically. The system works in a simple way. When the soil becomes dry, the moisture sensor detects it and automatically activates the water pump. Water is then delivered from the tank through the pipe to the sprinkler, which spray water evenly onto the seedling. Once the soil reaches the required moisture level, the sensor stops the pump to avoid overwatering and reduce water wastage. Overall, this system helps save labor and time, improve watering consistency, and support higher growth of rubber seedling.
Next, we are going to talk about the problems and solutions for the watering cart. For the first problems, it has difficulties on monitoring nursery's watering activities. For the solutions, you have to install a soil moisture sensors and an automated irrigation system to deliver the correct amount of water to each seedling. For the second problem is the high level requirements for manual watering. So for the solution for this problem is that you have to use a smart watering cart with automated movements and watering functions to reduce labor costs and work. For the third problem is that water wastage is due to over irrigation. For the solution for this problem is that implement a smart control system that adjusts water application based on soil moisture levels and weather conditions. For the fourth problem is that seedling stress during hot and dry weather. For the solution, you have to integrate temperature and humidity sensors to increase watering frequency when environmental conditions become unfavorable.
Next, I will explain the cost estimation for our smart rubber sealing watering can. The estimated total cost to build this project is 650 ringgit. The largest expenses is the 2000 liter water tank, which costs 150 ringgit, followed by the water pump at 120 ringgit. These two components are important because they store and distribute water throughout the system. Next, the battery cost is 80 ringgit, while the solar panel cost is 70 ringgit. The solar panel help provide renewable energy and reduce electricity users. Other component is include pipes and fitting costing 50 ringgit. Sprinkler costing 60 ringgit. The moisture sensor costing 60 ringgit. And the control board which also costs 60 ringgit. Overall, the estimated cost of 350 ringgit is reasonable because the system is designed to save water, reduce labor, and improve efficiency of water rubber seedling in the long term. Uh, that's all for the cost estimation. Thank you.
Now we are going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages of a smart rubber seedling watering kite. First, let's talk about the advantages first. For the first advantages, it can reduce labor requirements by automating the watering process. The kite automates watering tasks, reducing the need for workers to manually water seedlings. For the second advantages, it can save water through precise and controlled irrigation. Sensors and automatic controls apply only the requirement amount of water, and it also can minimize the wastage. For the third for the third advantages, it can ensure uniform watering of all rubber seedlings. Every seedling receives a consistent amount of water. It also can prevent or overwatering. Now we will talk about the disadvantage of a smart rubber seedling watering kit. For the first disadvantages, it has high initial investment costs for equipment and technology, such as purchasing sensors, pumps, controllers, and also the card requires a significant investment. For the second disadvantage, it requires regular maintenance of sensors, pumps, and electronic components. Electronic components, sensors, and irrigation system must be regularly checked and repaired. For the third disadvantages, it the smart rubber seeding watering card, it depends on power source such as batteries or electricity. The card requires electricity or batteries to operate effectively.
Now I will explain the conclusion. Smart rubber seedling watering card in rubber nursery is one innovative solution to gathering the seedling in the rubber nursery. By implementing the innovative solution, the existing manual method of water which involve much time, human labor and extension that can overcome and a big boost can be given to increase the productivity of nursery and to reduce the operating cost of nursery. Water will be distributed evenly to all the seedlings in order to give them healthy growth. The system reduces the amount of water that is wasted, prevent the worries from becoming tired, and increase the efficiency of work in the nursery on a daily basis. This smart seedling watering system is also able to aid in the management of resource as well as create more sustainable methods of agriculture. The smart rubber seedling watering cart can also help the nursery owners save time and labor costs while maintaining quality of the seedling. As technology plays a larger role in modern agriculture, it also plays a greater role in planting management. Thus, the use of the smart rubber seedling watering cart can aid in increasing the efficiency of the rubber nursery and support the development of more efficient, productive and sustainable rubber nursery industry.
That's all for our group. Thank you for watching. Bye.